With R1, users can have unlimited amount of conversations, unlimited amount of recordings and AI summaries, unlimited live bidirectional translation between 100+ languages, all with the latest AI model at no extra cost. Any sufficiently advanced technology is indistinguishable from magic. No other device in the market gives you the magic to personalize your experience with AI like R1. We're not talking about changing the wallpaper on your phone. We're talking about AI magic at the push of a button built into R1, from how it sounds to how its interface looks to how your photos appear. You can change and customize all that by giving your own customized prompts.